Okay, hello guys. So this is another video. So you should have watched what do you say? The two videos previously, which is the tasks from 1 to 5 and 6. So we are going to start with task number 7. Go ahead, open VMware like we used to do. Things are recording. Let me check. Yes, it's recording. And power on your machines. This will be yes, and just cross this off. Windows 10, yeah, we're gonna power on that also. Meanwhile, okay, cross. So the task in hand is, it's about installing printers and stuff. Okay, I don't have a printer at home. Just kidding. I think we won't need one because we don't have in ICPD lab either. So hope for the best. I think we won't need it. So let's look through the first subtask, which is install printer to the server computer. On server 1, open server manager, manage and add roles features. Okay, let the server load. Always log into administrator. Same password which you used all along. And then just server manager opens up. So wait a minute, let it complete the loading. Okay, done. Add roles and features. So this is where they said us to, so that is where the next step leads us to tick print document services. So you're going to click on next. So it will however be this one only, adding role services and features. So it's like a feature, printing and stuff maybe. Okay, so we are going to just go ahead and click on role based or feature based installation and click next. And yeah, this is the server, right? Nothing to change over there also. So click next, and over here only we should select whatever we need to add as a feature. Okay, so over here they have said tick print and document services, print server, add features and then install. Okay, so we are going to click on this. Okay, and then add features. There's nothing called print server. Okay, there's nothing called print server. Wait, let me go through everything. There's something called fax server, but fax is different than print, right? So we'll just enable only this one for the moment. No, if not it will be a mess. If we need, we will install this later, because it says print server, not fax server, but it is something to do with it. Okay, no problem, we'll just go ahead next. And in this, we have nothing to do, I guess. Okay, we are going to go ahead and click on next, and then next. Okay, here is the print server. So that fax server is nothing to do with. This is what you should tick on. So print server, once you click on print server over here, you're going to click on add features and install. Okay, so the print server should be ticked. Next, okay, this don't need to be ticked like our previous. We added something, right? I think we added ADS or something. Yeah. Okay, let's install. So we are installing the print server feature to handle printing and stuff in our network. Okay, what next? Wait, let this install first. So we are done with this second one, and we are going ahead with the third one next. Okay, feature insertion succeeded. Okay, so you are going to go ahead and click on close, and then we are going to open server manager, tools and print management. Okay, so we are getting that tool. If you have properly installed it, you get this tool called print management. Okay, so we click on that. So you have all these things. Let's go ahead and check. Expand print servers. Okay, we are going to expand print servers. Print servers is this one. Okay, and then click on server 1, and then right click printers and add printer. Okay, we're going to right click on printer and then add printer. Once you click on that, you get another network printer installation wizard kind of thing. So let's see what we are going to do over there. For a labo exam with no physical printer, add a new printer using an existing port. Sorry. Add a new printer with an existing port. LPT1. LPT is, I guess, the short form for laser print or something. And then next. Okay. Add a new printer using an existing port. So we don't have a physical printer, right? So we are just adding like a duplicate one. So in LabBoss, I guess, but in the ICPT exams also, we won't have a physical printer. We'll have to just pretend that there is a printer. So add a new printer to the existing board. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. LPT 1, that's what it said to select. So we are going ahead and selecting the same thing, and then we are going to click on next. Okay, we clicked on next. So install a driver, that's what we should do. So we are going to click on this. We have nothing to type, so next. Yeah, generic and text only should be selected, I guess. Generic or text only, yes, that should be selected. And then we are going to just click on next. Not going to do anything else. Okay, so if you have selected properly the generic and text, it will come here, or else go back and again select and come. After that what we should do is we are going to give print a name. So I'm going to give the same name. Sometimes they might have given another name in the scenario. We'll get another word file, right, during the exam. So make sure to use those kind of names and tick. Ensure that this is ticked. Share this printer is ticked, and then share name printer 1 and finish. Share name is okay. Share name, will change the share name. So these two should be the same. So we're gonna add this, and this should be the same. These two should be the same. So we are adding that one, copying and pasting it, and then go ahead and next, and see whether everything is okay. If you selected properly, this will show up, and LPT1 is the port name, and next. So they didn't ask to print test page or anything. Yeah, they haven't asked to do these things, so we are going to just finish it. Okay. So now if you click on printers, you will see this share printer. Okay, that means we have created it correctly. Sorry. So we are going to set required permissions on the printer. So for to give access for other users, we should give required permissions, right? So that's what we are going to do now. In print management, right click shared printer 1, properties, security tab. So wait a minute. So in print management, okay, we are already in print management and we are in shared printer. So we are going to right click over here. Once you right click, what else? Properties. So we are going to click on properties. Okay, properties is visible, and then in the properties we are going to click on security tab over here. Okay, the security tab. Okay, so once I click on security tab, the default shows everyone with print permission, adjust as needed. So we had to adjust it over here only. So it shows as everyone. Okay, it shows as everyone. So we are going to restrict access only for certain groups. Okay, let's say we are this time giving it for IT. No, we give it for HR because we are logging in using Steve Rogers. No, let's not change. If not, it will be complicated on your end also, like to test things and give the screenshot. So keep one user like from Windows 10. So use one user specifically on Windows 10 and use the administrator for Windows Server 2019, so that you don't get messed up with where you figure out things. Okay. So I'm using Steve Rogers of HR department every single time. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm should I remove? So we can't give everyone the access, right? So we are going to remove and restrict only for specific persons. Okay, I removed that and I'm adding so as I removed that, wait a minute. Okay, I will show it to you later. For now we will add the specific group. Okay, I'm gonna add HR, check names. Okay, so HR department has access for it, HR users have access for it, and then give IT staff allow printer, allow manage documents, give another group HR staff allow print only, remove everyone if only certain groups should print. So I'm saying remove everyone if only certain groups should print. Okay, so that's the point. I removed everyone and giving only HR department access to print, and the IT department won't have the access. Okay, maybe we can give HR department to print. Okay, HR department have access to print. Meanwhile we are going to add the IT department also. Okay, and IT department is going to not is going to manage this print and manage documents also. Okay, so once we are done with that, we are going to click on apply and OK. To block a group, select a group, tick deny print. Okay, so if you have create another group, you can click on that group and then click on all the deny things, so it gets denied for that group. Okay, so that group the group can't access. So by default, as we have removed everyone, we removed everyone over here, right? So it gets denied to all the other groups, so no worries about that. We don't need to do this step, and we don't have a group either, another group either to do this step. So yeah, do according to the scenario followed in given in the other document. What is it? We'll get another document on the exam day, a Word document. Do according to that scenario how they have specified. Okay, so we are going to click on apply and then OK. and we are going to go ahead to Windows 10, and then I think that's how we should check, right? Yeah, they have said to check. mm, what the hell is that? Clicking virtual screen to send. Okay, remind me later. I don't need those things. Oh shit. I think there's some problem with this. Oh no, it's perfectly working. Okay. Okay, I know what's there. The error is the wallpaper is gone, right? So the wallpaper was in staff files, no. So as we disconnected it, that's the reason the error showed up. Okay, and the wallpaper is not updating. So these kind of errors just show up, like it doesn't matter. Okay, now if I just go ahead and connect the other one, it will start to work as usual. See, disconnect. I'm just showing this so that y'all gain the knowledge and will be able to implement it faster uh, during the practicals, because you should gain the knowledge instead of just going through the steps and stuff files. I think this is the correct one. We just try to connect. Steve Rogers, Rog 123 at. Okay, so the Mustang wallpaper is there. Let me go back and come to check what happens. The wallpaper. Okay, the wallpaper doesn't show up. I have no idea why. It showed up yesterday and not today. Uh, yeah, that's okay. So yesterday it showed up, right? That's what we need. After we got the screenshot, we don't need to care about it. Uh, I will just continue the task in hand. Okay, what I was continuing to do. So yeah, I think some settings got conflicted while we are going through the other tasks. So it's perfectly fine. That's all right. Okay. On Windows 10 client, login. Okay, we logged in. Open File Explorer and in the address bar type. So we are going to type this on the address bar. Okay. On the address bar, File Explorer, and on the address bar. This is the address bar, right? Yeah. Okay. We're going to type server 01. Okay, this is the one which they have told. So when we're typing that, we are getting the shared print automatically. Double click shared printer 1 and to install it. Open control panel, devices and printers to confirm that it is there. Okay, so we can click on this. So it's connecting, and then it installed, I guess so. Okay, open control panel, devices and printers to confirm that is there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead to control panel. Okay, control panel is already okay, we'll just close this control panel. Is this hardware? view devices and printers. So once you view devices and printers, you should see shared printer 1 on server 1. So you have access for this. Okay, so you have all this access for this. So the generic and text only which we set, they are all have come in to place. Okay, so we are done. We are done installing it. Open control panel. Okay, we confirmed it also. So log out, log in as the second user, connect the printer the same way or check if it was auto deployed via GPO. Open control panel, devices, printers to confirm it shows for this user too. Okay, we are going to show how two different users are access. Okay, we are going to show how two different users have access to the printers. Okay, so in this kind of scenario, it's better to give one user the access and the other user no access. Okay, that way it's better, I guess. So we should show how two users have the accesses. Okay, let's see what we can do. How did we give the access? Oh yeah, over here, right? Security, and then what did we give the IT department? We give IT department everything and HR department only to print. Okay, we will try to click manage this printer and check whether it's throwing an error or something. Okay, let's just change this and see. Okay, no, this not this. Let's say we're going to click on security and we're trying to add no, it's getting changed. I don't know why. Okay, we just keep it there. How can we manage? What is about managing? No. Wait a minute. Yeah, like I told, we will do this. We will give one the access and another not the access. Okay, so normally we are not so for HR department we have given access, right? So we are going to give it, we are not going to give it to the IT department. Normally it doesn't happen in real world scenario, so please forgive me. I haven't created another group, so I'm just doing it with the IT group. So I'm not giving any access for this, and I'm going to click on apply and I'm going to click on OK. So HR department have access, but the IT department wouldn't have the access. Okay, so that's what we are going to show. Wait a minute, we will deny it. Okay, so that we can show it exactly. Again, go for printer 1 properties, security, and we are going to deny it all for IT users. Where is it? So the IT user went missing because we just unchecked everything. So we are going to add the IT again, check names. Okay, and then we are going to deny everything. Okay, so that the IT stays still. It got yeah, that's okay. It's saying that if he had one user for two groups, let's say he's a manager, he's in IT and HR, he's managing IT and HR departments. Okay, so if you give for the HR department as allow and IT department as deny only will take the precedence. That's what he's trying to mean. Okay, yeah. So let's go ahead for IT user. So IT user is yeah, Jane Hopper. We are gonna go ahead and other user ICBT and Jane Hopper from Stranger Things, the technical character who figures out every single clue. Okay, hop 123 at. Hi, Aki. Yeah, we didn't do anything with Jane Hopper, right? I mean, in terms of logging into that user. Okay, this will take some time, I guess. Until that, let's check what else is there to do. Okay, we are almost done with that. Is it good if I finish the video with this? Yeah, it's good so that y'all can watch step by step. Yeah, I'll try to finish this video, upload it, and go to the next one whenever I have time, because the next one is slightly long. And when you see at 1 hour videos, yeah, you get pissed. True, I understand, but I can't help it. I wonder whether we can do this in 3 hours, but we should try a level based, like at least complete some amount of task and submit in our on time. Don't wait till the last moment. Submit it on time. Take the exam admissions and all the stuff. And yeah, just keep a 3 hour time and sit in a place and try to do it all in 3 hours, 3 hours, and check, so that you can confirm that you are able to do it, right? So I might be checking like that. Maybe on a Friday or Thursday. Maybe like if I should make a recording of 3 hours, like not 3 hours exactly. I guess we can finish it more quicker. I'm not sure. You never know. So I might sometimes like do like a crash course. So this is like we getting into errors and all those stuff, right? So apart from that, errors and stuff, like getting things done really fast, that one should be done once. So yeah, I will be doing that sometimes. Okay, we are gonna keep the speaking apart and we're gonna check whether the printer is there. Okay, the printer is there. Okay, and we will click on it. An operation could not be completed. Access denied. So you can install that printer on Jane Hopper, because Jane Hopper is slightly technical. She might break the printer. Just kidding. She doesn't have access. We haven't given her access. Okay. So that's the case. So you should just show this screenshots properly on how you added these policies over here, and where is it? Not policies. Added this, yeah. Added these things over here. So get a screenshot of this. Get a screenshot of this, followed by the screenshot of this, and screenshot of how you installed it in Steve Rogers. Okay. We'll just keep Jane Hopper. We'll try to do some things with her also in terms of networking. Okay, where is it? uh, so we logged in as the second user, which is the Jane Hopper, and then we connected the printer the same way, and it didn't allow to connect the printer. And then we opened control panel, device printer. Okay, that is not necessary because we haven't installed. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully I have completed install printer to the server computer, share the printer, we share it, set the required policies, we set it, and show how different users are accessing the printers. Okay, so one user don't have the access, another user will have the access. That's it. So will meet in task 8. Till then, keep networking. Wait a minute. Shit. Getting a trouble. Okay, we're gonna stop recording.